Hi guys, today we're going to be focusing on arithmetic. Okay, so here for this problem we have 5,165 and 3,358. So what we're going to do is that we're going to add 5 and 8. So how to work this out? 5 plus 8. If we have 5 on this side and 8 on this side, there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that'll be our answer. So I just write 13 here. Right? Wrong. That's because we need this space here for the next number. So let's just rub that out. So what we're going to do is that we're going to write the 1 over here above the next section. So we have 6 add 5, which is 11, plus the extra 1, which gives us 12. Again, put the 1 at the top. So that'll be 4 add 1, which will give us 5. And there's nothing to carry over this time, so 5 add 3 equals 8. So that should be your answer. Okay, so here we have a new problem. So 7 add 5 is 12. And 1 add 4 is 5. 6 add 8 is 14. 6 add 6 is 12. 12 add 1 is 13. Okay, now that you're confident with that, let's have a go at subtraction. Okay, so what we're going to do here is going to do 7 minus 1, which would be 6. 0 minus 2 we can't do, so we're going to have to borrow 1. So what you do, if this happens, I'm just going to make one up. So say 79. Actually, no, not that. 78 minus 69. What you would do is that you would borrow 1 from the digit before it. So that would turn into a 6 and this would turn into a 1. And you'd write, you do 80 minus 9, then you'd write 9. So that's what you would do. But in this case, what we're going to have to do is that we're going to have to borrow 1 from both of these. So that would be 10 minus 1, that would be 9. Just going to put a little 0 there. Okay. So this would be 10, 8, 8, borrowing 4, and 8 minus 2 equals 6. So let's say we have multiplication now. So here we have 24 multiplied by 6. So what we're going to do, we're going to do 4 times 6, which will be 24, which is the number we have here. So that would be 24, so we're going to write down the 4, we're going to carry that over, and no, we're not going to do 2 times 0, we're going to carry over, so we're going to say 2 times 6 equals 12, and we're going to add the 2, which will give us 14. So our answer would be 144. Okay, so we have a new problem now. But notice we have 2 digits on the top and 2 digits on the bottom. So what will we do? So we're going to make sure every digit on the top gets multiplied by every digit on the bottom. So we'll start off with the ones. So 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 1 is 2. So what I like to do is like to cross out this digit so I know I've worked with it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to write a 0 to say that we've done that too. But if we had 3 digits on the top, on the bottom, and at least 3 on the top, then what we do is that once we get to the next one, we write 2 zeros before we continue. But in this case, we're going to do 1 times everything on here. But we can just write 14 since 1 times anything is the number itself. So let's add. So it's 0. So 14 times 12 is 168. So here we have 3 division problems. Now as you can probably already tell, this is how we lay them out. So I'll start with the easiest one. 96 divided by 3. So 3 goes into 9 3 times. Exactly 3 times. And 3 goes into 6 twice. Exactly twice. So that would be our answer, 32. So what we're going to do now, then we're going to work on a slightly harder example. 1125 divided by 5. Now 5 goes into 1. Wait, 5 doesn't go into 1. Well, not with a whole number. So what we're going to do is that we're going to combine this with the next digit. So that would be 5 into 11. That will go in twice with 1 remainder. So, in case I didn't tell you earlier, this is how we put the remainder, and the remainder is what's left over. Say for example I have 2 apples, but I have a basket which can only fit 1. That would mean that my remainder, or what's left over, is 1 apple. So 5 goes into 12 twice again with a remainder of 2, and 5 goes into 25 exactly 5 times. So this will be our answer, 225. Now, the hardest one of all. 1023 divided by 11. So what we're going to do, 11 doesn't go into 1 or 10, so we're going to have to do bigger steps. So 11 goes into 102 9 times. So we're going to do 100. That would be a remainder of 3. Now 11 goes into 33 exactly 3 times. So our answer is 93. Hold on, I'm just going to check that to see if it's right. Yay! We got it right. So thank you very much for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe for more, like and notify so you don't miss anything. Okay, I guess I'll see you next time. And next time, we're going to be doing arithmetic with decimals.
Yay!